spread the cheer. Snowy landscapes and tinkling lights shimmer, cozy moments and pure happiness.
Let this Christmas be a new start for you. May your home be full of warmth and laughter.